This is probably not going to be too interesting, but I am charging the battery that is going to be used in the handheld motor controller. So I have a charging circuit that I just plugged in, and the battery is plugged in and the power is on, and I have a red light that says, I think that says it's charging, but it's running while it's charging. I mean, it can. It's running at 4, and so I'm hoping it's charging. And then there's another LED that I think is going to turn green when it's charged, and then I can unplug it. So what I have to do is somehow fit that inside this menagerie here with this, and I'm working on the components, insertion, and wiring. So I have the lid. It's a little undersized. Okay, this is a prototype. I ordered the wrong size. Okay, I have my buttons, but I don't have my knobs. My knobs don't fit the buttons I bought, so I got a problem with that. There's the on-off switch, and of course it's not too pretty, but it works. And that's the lever. That's the rotating knob for the potentiometer that still needs to be wired. The whole thing needs to be wired, but what I'm now doing is fitting the components up. Okay, the part I'm working on after the charger will be the board itself. I can't use the legs that I have on these boards, so I'm going to have to program this one, and I think I'm just going to double tape it to this piece and then do the wiring with little short jumpers to keep everything as tidy as I can. Bring these wires up wherever they go, cut them and solder them down so it's all real tight. Same with the knob. I got the schematics. I've been working on how to do the wiring, so I've got that figured out, and we're coming right along. Yeah, I had a little issue this morning. It set me back. I don't know if you can see that, but can you see that crack in that part? See that crack right there? Ooh, that was not good. It just went instant smoke, pop, crack. Okay, took me a few more to figure out what was wrong. I got a few left, don't worry. But basics. Check your basics. Red to red, black to black. Very basic. Okay, so this is what I'm up to, and we're going to see how this works for charging, and then I'll continue. All right, just thought I'd give you a little shot of what's happening today. Don't ask, okay? It's just not good today. It's really not good. I'll tell you all about it later.